Hello, I am Nathan Leibensperger with L-Tron, and I am here with some of our demo equipment that we have available for test and evaluation. The demo pool is all of the hardware that we have on hand ready to send out to customers for them to test to ensure their software or rollout will go smoothly. Let me show you a little bit of what we have here in our pool. We have a full range of scanners, general duty, industrial, more rugged applications, and healthcare that are disinfectant ready. We have a large offering of thermal printers, mobile printers that can be used in fleet applications so you can bring it with you. We've got desktop printers that can be used in a retail environment, and we have larger industrial printers as well for warehousing applications. We have mobile computers to test inventory management systems or ERP software. L-Tron engineers can help during the test and evaluation process by being another set of eyes and ears. We know each project is different. If you're interested in any of the hardware we have on hand here at L-Tron, please give us a call, shoot us an email, and we're happy to help with your project.